Shay used to give away crutches out here because nobody never did buy it. Remember I pay dirty foot boy in a section, you know? I pay peanut vendor section. You get what I say? Shay used to dance go-go and ask her what she do. Ask her about her go-go life. Ask Shade about her go-go life and h0od, the little boy. That's why she didn't have no attachment to him. She the only one Mrs. Swing pan pole and drop on h0od. Me never see this on my barn. The one twirl she twirl on the pole is that belly she come. So good body people, let me tell you no how Shay wicked you know. I want to no look, it's when liar talk. Liar ain't telling any lie and truth and Shay. I want to know see something here. Don't Shay put out message. Don't Shay put out screenshots. I not talk about my voice note because them don't make no sense. The conversation, that don't make no sense. People, you remember the message that Shay put out? Look on the message down at the bottom. Wanna say edited. Edit h0od. Tid and editor friend. Eh? See it down here so. Right which by the number them there. Edited. Tid and editor friend. I just want to know if Tid and editor friend. And birds can't fly upon one wing. The dirty people them tell read this say me a cuss him. Yeah, me did a cuss him for sure. But me did a cuss body mouth really for sure. I cuss him. Them tell him back, me glad. Me glad them tell him back. Read the bottom lip look like it wear khaki. You know like it's a khaki scale. I just say look to me. I just say look to me. Yeah, me that cuss him for sure. He must hear them never have to tell him. He must hear. You see how Shay edit the message them and I post them. Liar go down in a it. So people, when Shay said she paid for the Airbnb and she left the key for the landlord to pick it up, what did I say? Don't me say Shay give the landlord some money because the man sit down up and wait for the key. Didn't I say that? Why you jealous of London and Emmy? We not talk about them now, and I will forever jealous of them. Because I want Emmy came back to Africa, I want to suck African home. And that's why I did ask Emmy if he came back to Africa. But I tell you the truth, I have against London and Emmy. I did beg Emmy came back to Africa to go suck one African home, and Emmy said, no, no, oh Jesus. So that's why. So don't come from the program again, come ask me where you know. Yeah. Remember true, I not go to Africa go suck the stiff food. Yeah. Don't ask me no. Anything again here? Yeah? Yeah, can't say me to answer you. And I answer you out of love and respect here. With all due respect. Yeah. Me never tell you no. Me never tell you no. So Shay a liar. You see the message she put up? Shay edit all of the message them. All of them Shay edit. If you go upon them I must say one no edit. And the one we talk about Caribbean estate. And that no edit. Why somebody not just go over Belgium, go lick the big man in him head? Eh? And say be still and know that I am God. Why them not go over there go lick her? Why them not go over there go eat her? Because every time I put on this, I say I have to watch my foot in it. Every single time I put on through it white. Every single time. I Shay own. Shay slippers never have no name. Remember say I pay fake things Shay sell. Shay order from Shein and I sell on for your arm and a leg but she does shipping. Shein does shipping. Shein does shipping. So like what Jaden and Shein a friend no Lord Jesus the business stand still. At the Amos. At the straight. Like how Jaden lock off the aisle. No ship no sale. I just ask you a question because see me no mix up. Is who send me up in the ear? Is who sending me up in the ear? Zola, what is wrong with you? Zola want me look down and Shay them. You know, so we no fear. Each one reach one. Shay and Queenie come. Shay come, no bring Queenie. Queenie you stay. You not travel with me until light gone in your throat or your battery dead. You chat too much, man. It's your backside. Yeah. Then you can imagine what a way you stuck on Shay. What a way me not get up off of Shay. And that if you talk about and I stuck on me not get up off of Shay. Me gonna make una tired for hear about Shay. When Shay tear down people, Shay do a good job. Shay do a fine job when tearing down people. Shay go pay all people for tell lie on people who Shay cause. You don't know Shay. So me go stay upon Shay until me content. When me tell you say I'm mere take set goodies, them don't know say I'm mere take set. Them don't know that bread. Them don't know that. Bread them now gonna know that. Come and eat us for real. When Shay take set from people, Shay sit down and take set from people. Me know when Shay lock up the life and me don't talk and Shay lock up her life, she and Queenie hold and cry, you think I pray them a pray. Me know she and Queenie hold and go, you swear prayer meeting. Now ask you, who send my bike? No man! No man! Me a rank! Thank you Zolabod! Thank you Zolabod! Me a rank man! Shay me a rank behind your back! Me a rank behind your back, Shay. Lord, I remember when time Shay did it on the podium when she and Jaden did a whole and I wait on the sun for say. Shay did a little bit of hype, you know. Shay did a little bit of 5 minutes of hype Shay get doing, you know. So move them out. I want to do the mama. Move. I would kill him with Shay cologne, you know. Shay, me can use the cologne and spread a flyer. Cause he might give me a warm time. Anyway, fly say fish, them itch up, you know. Anyway, fly say fish. And if Shay send you back to Queenie. Yeah. I Shay send the fly. Shay a Beelzebub. The god of flies, Beelzebub. Yeah, Shay you that, you know. Beelzebub, the god of flies. Yeah. You that Shay with your liar self boy you pay and you make voice note. Move your nastiness dirty Shay. Move Queenie, don't little bit and broke a Belgium. You ever hear about jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire, you that Shay? You could have get a dozen ackee now for people they see them now and go and bubble something and eat and then go grind and get yourself a cigarette. Yeah, cause you know you love your cigarette Shay. You know you love your cigarette. Hey, Shay is a little ashtray still. I wonder if Shay is a big old man. She love her cigarette, you know. Yeah. You know, you take a dozen khaki and then get up a morning and a beg. And your life, that your little life, that's when them Queen is sitting down and need the filter go like your person, place, people, animal, all things. Lies! It's not a noun. It's not a noun. To another. It's not a noun. You walk and edit messages and post and incriminate people. You're too wicked. The phone where you have, it always tell when the messages are edited. You never know that, baby girl. You never know that. Yeah. She an adjective auntie. I want to describe her nastiness for true. Yeah. You never know that. You never know that, my baby. You cost all your gift to them. You class all your gift because you feel like you reached the pinnacle. Share anything you do in your life, you know, when you come to Jamaica, you should have repent. You should have repent from the spot of ground where you do the wickedness. Because they say, all you little girl, I sit down and I tell you, I say, Shay. And the life, I say, Shay, you sure you want to go down the road with Jaden? Sometimes it will backfire in your face, and be careful of the choice of words that you're using towards the individual in this situation. When I never hear me tell her that from my life, don't me tell her that from my life, I say, Shay, be careful. When I never hear me tell her that, yeah, I said it to her because I see the road where she goes. It's because I know Shade. Me know say, Jaden not do you nothing. And this is one case where you can say, Jaden don't do you anything. Shay, you do Jaden a lot. You mash up the boy vehicle. You can imagine you come to Jamaica and tell people, oh, you can drive and then give them vehicle, trust you with them vehicle. You have a vehicle at Belgium, just asking for Queenie. Stop it. Call Queenie and make your voice fade. Call Queenie and make your voice fade, Shay. Me say the shout where you shout it to that deaf you and Queenie based on the acoustic. The bounce back, you see? The bounce back with that deaf one. Oh, Shay now come for me, Shay try, but Shay no know nothing about me. You see the difference with me and Uno when Uno spar with people, you know. You know, say me and mudfish. Shay, me hear you talk, but me bring down mudfish them. Come here, Shay. Come here. Cause you stretch for straw, so me help you. Cuss me. Come here. You say me bring down mudfish. Me should have dragged them on the ground along with you. Me not like when you scatter me, I go find you for bring you down. Me should have group up the whole of you like me as a choir director and bring you down together. Then you think you better than mudfish them? Share the same way me go out with you as some mudfish used to catch with me and you never say I could have go in my mouth yet. Now come out of my hole. That's how secret and private me be. You never know, me not kiss and tell, me couldn't walk and showcase Queenie. Me couldn't take a man with me taller than. Me not like it. And you're not just taller than your man, you know, you're way above him. You're way above him. Yeah, my man head have to catch me if I eat on my shoulder, yes so. Him shoulder have to catch me if I eat, yes so. No, then all the kiss I go, come in and lift up now, boy. Me can't lift you up with my strength and my pocket at the same time. No, me I do too much. Me alone can't do so much. Then me alone I compromise. Eh? Exactly, Sister Winnie. You come and talk about me bring down mudfish and Kayan like them I did nobody. Them are nobody. Them is just like you. You. Why you think me know for deal with you? Me even see one comment with one girl talk about she be can't tame. Me not animal, me is not our kids. Me never come here, I tell you this every day. I don't come here to look any friends. So till me hear all TikTokers start repeating my phrase. Me not come here to look no friend. Me no want no friend. Una always give me say so though. Shay, remember it's you not fucking on me. I never send you a request yet. I never send you a request yet, Shay. It's you come for my life every time so till half dozen of my moderator them come off cause them hate you. Yes, I said it. And me make Martin talk to you. Just so you know. It's me. Them class me every day, all the big adults, me don't want to say old people, all the adults, them were grandmother with them on my life. Once you come on, Shay, them come off. God believe me, I kid you not. I kid you not. Yeah, them eat your spirit. You walk with one Jezebel spirit. You walk with a Judas spirit, Shay. Them eat your spirit. Old and young, them eat you. For sure. I'm not lying. I always put myself on the line for germs and get up with disease. Why am I always do them something? And you come and argue with me about my cousin tell you. Your son tell me, save it one more time with your Shay. 7 years, 10 minutes now, go cut no dash. But my cousin tell you from before, say don't go nowhere with me. Your son tell me long time, say he want some mommy time. Yeah? You never know. You may not ask you. You walk and edit text so people look bad. Shay, the text edited. You edit the text. Me never tell no lie. The landlord sit down and collect money from me and the key. Anyhow, me didn't want to know nothing about Diamond, you'd tell me. Remember me lock you off. Remember me not chat to you, you're busy I chat to my friend, them I tell them about Diamond. And how much things Diamond have in her phone pan the gunman shift. We're catching your trap, Shay. Is oh you can't believe, say. You know, say Shebada no mix up. Because you talk and me I ignore you. Shay is Nessa is Shay. Why you call up my friend Nessa name? Eh? But Queenie say, Shay, you hate Shay because You ask Shay for sure you should Jaden. Me never ask Shay volunteer. I inform me in a Queen, that's how come she could come back to Jamaica until money pay for she can walk. You never know. At that if I talk about money pay for Shay reach her. Me not talk plane ticket. Me talk money pay for cover. So anything Shay lay down in the bed I tell you have to buy the story from Brother Louise. A Brother Louise Bennett that you have to buy the story because you don't live nowhere Queenie, you don't have nothing in a life. Then Queenie make me ask you and Shay something now and don't tell me so nasty because for me no broke. Don't tell me so nasty. Wanna have a Belgium, wanna have it on the life. Then unna time to take bus and train. Eh? Unna time to take bus and train in a Europe. Wanna have in a life now. What that me want know? Some broke sodomite them you know. Yeah, cause Jaden who put money together to get you out here. Shay, you're ungrateful. Shay, me did have to dog you. Me did have to dog you, Shay. You're ungrateful. It no matter what you do in a life. You must always remember. Shay used to give away crutches out here because nobody never did buy it. Remember I pay dirty football in a section, you know. I pay peanut vendor section. You get what I say? She used to dance go-go and ask her what she do. Ask her about her go-go life. Ask Shade about her go-go life and who go the little boy. That's why she not have no attachment to him. She the only one Mrs. Swing pan pole and drop on h0od. Me never see this from my barn. The one twirl she twirl on the pole is that belly she come off with. Is a belly Shay come off with. The one turn she turn. Somebody say Pampas all Shay. Me never tell the lie. Me have no problem with Shay man in the Pampas, you know. Oh, me not have no problem with Shay man in the Pampas, and I will forever say it. Me not have no problem with Shay man in the Pampas. Una don't know Shade. Una don't know Shade. The reason why I do have no problem with Shade sex in the man in the Pampas, when all this in your customer, I say nothing wrong with that. If I hear a man get way, me agree with Shay. Me agree with Shay 100% even up to today because Shade is a girl like this. If she can man in a gutter water, barefoot man, madman, peanut man, what about the Pampas? Nothing wrong with it. When I go like Shay, all come with gentleman pants. It's just a moustache. It's just a mouth part for a gentleman. I want beat up Shay with one tweezer. I want hold long Shay and tweeze out the chest ear them. I want tweeze out Shay chest ear. I want plug the ear them from underneath Shay chin. Oh, you mean that's nastiness? When girl carry them crutches go give man in a jail, they think them body wash a one time a day them get forbid. So what you say? What you say, my baby? And if he's a girl like this, where man cannot like see in a old broke down building, if man can put your hand on a window where you know say it's abandoned window and turn your back way, if man can stand up on black and pallet and grind you because you're tall, but that's it. One, you know, sometimes I don't know if it's tax, you know. That's why they send them sugar cuss about the Pampas because it was easy. Remember black and pallet, them stand up and give she back as cash tall, black and pallet. So I don't know one attack say Shay virginity gone from before cell phone come in. Long before cell phone. She has sucked out from callbacks days when you have to recite number off a phone card. And from them time they share sucked out and I lick out batty and I go on the most way. And I do both girls and boys, crowd. Shay crutches is a religion. Shay hole is a religion, it near more man. It near more man. You know the white people in my walk out, it near more man. And the religion they Shay have underneath her. Then auntie has so much fault Shay have. Me I tell you something about Una now. TJ said so sometimes when I give people more credit than they deserve. Anybody who knows Shade know that Shade isn't anybody. Yeah? And the chest ear them I want pluck out a Shay. I want tweeze Shay chest. I want tweeze it. I want tweeze her chest ear them man. For sure, Shay's a gentleman. So when Queen is sit down there going about, I didn't want poison Shay. I couldn't poison Shay, I care how much more powder and rat poison I put in it. Shay used to this. Our constitution strong. She used to this. Remember how she used to suck in and drink come? She used to this. She used to this. She never used to send boy, go wash them out. She just take it, come just as you are. Yeah. She walk with people order from Jamaica. You know, see, it didn't easy for she come out, you come pick up her lifestyle because of what she used to. Remember, you come out here, you come make man and them woman have arguments. Billionaire, she said real bad. Remember, you come out, you come make man and woman in a problem. Them can't fight over Belgium because of what year she broke Queenie and I wait pan she for broke the neck. Yeah. Yeah, come and run up your mouth and come and go on. No knowings for you, Shay. Me not tell a lie. Me never see a paperless you take down somebody so yet. Me never see somebody without papers take down somebody. Jay didn't take it down, you know. And Jay didn't not certified. Jay did not even fully immunized. And Jay didn't take you down. Jay didn't take you down in a one breath, you know. The same man will build you up tear you down here. You should have hold out a little longer. A little longer. Just a little longer. You should have hold on. Because I can't believe it. To show you how them are liar than Shay and Queenie the same thing, you know. You remember Queenie says Shay don't like sex. Oh, remember when them dip on them live and Queenie says Shay don't like sex. Me did have surprise when Queenie says Shay like fingering. Who remember that? Then oh Shay come out here who can go with so Shay not have no nature for Queenie. Shay not have no nature for Queenie. Shay has no nature for Queenie. Cause Shay come out here and easy for Shay hook. You know what? Me a come on later. Queenie me not done with you yet. I love on her later.